So take me as I am. This may mean you have to be a stronger man. Rest assured when I start to make you nervous, and I'm going to extremes. Tomorrow I will change, and today won't mean a thing. I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a mother, I'm a sinner, I'm a saint. I do not feel ashamed. I'm your hell, I'm your dream. I'm nothing in between. You know you wouldn't want it any other way. Just when you think you got me figured out, the seasons already changing. I think it's cool you do what you do.